have purple lips.
Why does it matter if I have purple lips or not?
I like purple.
Well, you're stupid.
You're stupid.
No, I'm not stupid. Stop it. Stop hitting me. Okay, stop. 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 Just stop. Oh, now you want to make out, huh? Yeah.
No.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Suck it. I'm leaving. Hi, Peter.
Hey, Stacy.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm decent. Yeah. Peter, I have a confession to make.
Mm-hmm.
I like you.
Yeah.
Well, do you like me?
I don't know. I never liked a girl before.
What?
Yes, I know I have a mustache, okay?
Okay. Well, what do you mean by that? Are you like gay or something?
No, I just have a mustache, that's all.
No. You've never dated a girl before?
No,
Why?
I'm not gay.
Are you sure about that, buddy? How old are you again?
20.
Wow. Well, you want to go out with me?
No.
Do you want to go out with, what's his name? Joe?
Hold on. I'll be right back.
Okay. Hey, Joe.
Hey?
You want to make out now?
No. You still have purple lips.
Yeah, and you know what? Shut up. You have green eyes.
You have
Wait.
purple eyes.
So purple eyes are cool. Just don't stop hitting.
Stop!
Sorry. So, are you guys gonna go out or something?
No, I'm not gay. I just like guys.
What? That makes no sense. Go away.
I was just kidding.
What?
Yeah.
You wanna go out?
No?
You wanna make out?
I've never been.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna go now. Yeah. Come on, you big lug. Hunky.